Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Realme 7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable one-handed mode on this device. Alright, so first to do this we have to open our settings. Next we have to scroll down a bit and find Convenience Tools option. Next we have to open navigation buttons. And here we have to turn on this option, pull down to enter one-handed mode, and we can do this by clicking this button right here. So now we have to pull like this. Oh, and now it's working. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!